Okay, now I'm ready to join everything together and pick up the stitches down the sides. So the first thing I'm going to do is place my markers back into my work, and to do that I want one at the middle, at the centre back of my sock, so I'm going to knit across 7, place that marker and knit the next 7 in order to get it in the right spot. This is my new beginning of round. So I'm going to have a different colour to the other markers. Put a yellow one in there. Knit 7. And then I'm going to pick up 14 stitches down the side here, plus an extra one just down in that corner. I'm going to pick up that leg in between just to tighten up that gap. So when we're picking up stitches, what we want to do is pick up right on the edge, and we're going to go under the V that's right on the edge of our knitting. Right, so I'm going to pick up the next V. So what we want to do is just uncurl our edge so that we know that we're picking up the edge V's, or the edge stitch, and it's going to be that one there. It's my first one, and then I'm just going to put the needle through and knit it. So that's 1, and then I'm looking for the next one, which is there. We want to make sure that we go under both of those. 3. And so on down the side. Okay, now when I get down to that leg that I want to pick up between my instep stitches and this left side, I want to pick that up and knit into the back of it, just to tighten up that corner, like so. If I knit into the back of it, it twists the stitch and just tightens up that corner. And then I'm going to place a stitch marker at that edge, and you'll see why a bit later on. And now I am going to knit across those instep stitches which are on the holder. Place my second pink marker there, and now I'm ready to pick up all the stitches along this side. Remembering that in that corner area I'm going to pick up the leg between and knit into the back of it. Oops, not that one. Just tighten up that corner. And then start picking up my V's again on the edge. Just make sure they're right on the edge. It's a little bit tricky, that first one. It's always a little bit looser on one side compared to the other, so we will show you how to sort that out a bit further on.